What are you drawing, darling?
Space.
Is it an alien or a monster?
Alien. 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 Take a picture of that.
Yeah, I am. I'm taking a video.
Oh. 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 Take a picture of that.
Yeah, I am. Thank you.
Look, I'll make a ghost. I'll make a ghost. I'll make a ghost.
That's scary.
Vampire.
What is it?
Vampire.
Oh, wow, it's a vampire. And what's this one? That's cool. Looks like a scary monster with a big orange light bulb on its head. Can you colour in too? Man, you're so awesome. Wow, look at that. You're not even going outside of the lines. Oh, a little bit. What's that one?
Biking.
A spaceship?
Yeah.
Cool. Big orange spaceship.
Orange.
That's so beautiful, my darling. Yeah,
Orange.
buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
What are you going to do with your post-it notes?
No.
What's that? Looks like a big cloud in the sky. Ooh, with a big smiley face on it. Awesome. Maybe it's a storm cloud and rain will come out of it. What do you think?
Leg. Pig leg.
Ooh.
Storm. Say stormy.
Now what are you going to draw?
A big pee mucker. Big mucky. Big pirate. Oh, big one. Light blue. Blue like me. I'm made a pirate. I'm an pirate. Pirate. I'm an pirate. I'm an pirate. I'm a pirate.
How do fireworks go?
Let's do a hot potato. The
Ah.
hot potato. The hot potato.
Awesome.
Potato. Hot potato. 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 Hot potato. Shin.